Hi everyone, my name is GULSHAN BANU, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS College of Engineering. So today we are here with a new topic called problem solving. In this problem solving unit, we will be covering up with many different ideas and many different topics that is related to it. So this is one of the topic which states that you have a problem and we can find a solution for it. The ways in which the problems can be solved and the methodologies in which the problems can be solved in a given and predefined manner, I am going to explain it in this video. Yes, now the first topic which is related to it is heuristic searching strategies. So when I explain you about the heuristic searching strategies, it is nothing but a concept in AI. It is a technique that is used to solve the problems more effectively when traditional methods are impractical due to time or computational constraints. Suppose you don't have any kind of time or you don't have any probabilistic methods to do anything. This heuristic search strategies will help you out in finding a solution or giving a predefined solution for the problem that has been given to it. Okay, so in this you will be following n number of rules, n number of methodologies, and there are different pathways. The solutions that is defined to the pathways are given in this heuristic searching strategies. We will see like what are the heuristic searching strategies that is being used in this PPTs. Now, in heuristic searching strategies, like we saw in the previous video, there are different categories like uninformed searching algorithm and informed searching algorithm. So now, what is uninformed search algorithm? What is the English word for the English meaning for the word uninformed means? Uninformed means you will not be given any kind of information for it, and you have to find the solution for the defined methodology that has been given to you. So now uninformed search is a class of general purpose search algorithm which operates in brute force way. Uninformed search algorithm do not have additional information about state or search space or other than how to traverse the trees, so it is also called blind search. Blind search is nothing but you will not be given any kind of specific informations related to it. You have to do the searching process based on the given different ideas that is being implemented in it. Now we'll see like what are the various types of uninformed searching algorithms are defined with. The first one is breadth first search, the second one is depth first search, the third one is depth limited search, next is iterative deepening depth first search, uniform cost search, and bidirectional. We will look like one by one like what is it about and what are the methodologies that is being used in it. Now the first thing is breadth first search. What is the word breadth in usual meaning is the breadth first search is something which will go in the form of the breadthwise direction. Like say for example, you have a node of S and you have the final node as K. From the initial node of S, it has to reach the node of K, but it goes only in the breadthwise direction. Like from level 1 to level 4, it goes in the breadthwise direction. For example, if you need to reach the goal state of K, the node S will start the direction and go to A, then it will reach to B, then C, then D, then G, then H, then it will come to the next level of 3 called E, F, I and K. But when you see the depth first search, it traverses the graph based on the depth-wise manner. The process of depth first search algorithm is also similar to the breadth first algorithm, but in depth first search, it uses a stacked data structures for its implementation. In breadth first search, we will be using the queue format for the for organizing the data and finding the output for it. Now in depth first search, the level of process will be in the same manner. First it will look upon the depth of one direction, then it will carry forward the depth of the another direction over here. Say for example, when you take the node of S and the initial state or the initial node is S and the final node is G, it will traverse in this direction of from S to A to B, then B to E and B to D and D to E. Next it will go to the level 2 state, that is C, and then it will reach out the goal state of G. Now we will see what is depth limited search algorithm. The depth limited search algorithm is similar to depth first search. It is as same as depth first search, but it has certain limitations that is involved in it, and that is why we call it as a depth limited search algorithm. See, for here you have the initial node as S and the final node as J, but in depth first search it goes for all the nodes in one direction and then it reaches the initial state. But in this it has certain limitations of where to go and how to go, and based on that it is executed. So this state or this process is called as depth limited search. Now in uniform cost search algorithm, it is actually used for traversing a weighted tree or graph. This algorithm comes into play when a different cost is available for each edges, but the primary goal of this uniform cost search is to find the path to the goal node which has the lowest value for it. Say for example, when you take this example from S to G, there are many nodes and there are different values assigned for the different nodes. Okay. So now here from node S it goes to node G. So it always looks for only the minimum path. From S it can also reach to B and it can also reach to A. But which is the shortest path? It is 1, right? The shortest path between S to A is short and it is 1. So likewise from A it has 2 paths, but it actually chooses the shortest path, and that is D. From D it goes to G which has the shortest path, and this is nothing but the uniform cost search. Now iterative deepening depth first search is something where the process is done in a very cumulative manner, and here the process of DFS and BFS both is being executed and it is done in a very iterative manner. Now, when you see the bidirectional search algorithm, the bidirectional search algorithm is something in which the process has to be done in both the direction. It should state in both frontward search and the backward search. Okay, bidirectional search replaces one single search graph with two small subgraphs in one, which one starts the search from an initial vertex and the other starts from the goal vertex. Now, the next topic that we are going to see is uninformed functional search and the advantages. So, in the next video, we will see what is informed heuristic functions and what are all the functionalities of it. For now, it is goodbye from me, and in the next class, I will explain you what is the informed heuristic functions in the heuristic search strategies methodology. Thank you.